This vlog has been off to quite the start. Morning, people. So yesterday, midday, my camera started saying memory card error, even though there was no problem with the memory card, no taking it out or taking the battery out or doing anything or importing footage or like anything was making this work. Today, woke up mysteriously working. I'm hoping for the best because I'm going to Greece next Friday, so that's 9 days away now, and I really need this camera for that. So today's vlog, we have a few things going on. First, I'm about to go to a boxing class. Seriously, if you've never done a boxing workout, you need to try boxing because it is so fun. As someone who doesn't even like working out, it's so fun. I'm going to go to Express because I have a gift card there, and so I'm going to be looking for A, I need jeans, but B, I'm also looking for some like Greece dresses or like summery clothes, or even if not, honestly, I have plenty of clothes for Greece. But if we stumble upon something, then I'm definitely gonna swoop that up. So we're gonna do a little shopping today, a little organizing. Whew, guys. Janine, how would you say boxing was?
So, wow, I'm a ghost. So good. If you guys ever come to LA, we recommend you guys try it because you get 2 classes for $30, right?
I smell bad.
We both smell bad.
I just got 5 packages, so I'll show you guys those in a second. We have a long lost third roomie. Here's an overview. I've consolidated everything. We had stuff from Lulu, Sephora, Steve Madden. Most of it is blue and white. You can see down there because it's for Greece. Now about to head out to go shop. Here's what I'm wearing today. I'm realizing right now that I haven't been in a mall, like inside an actual mall, in probably like months. Just, I don't know. I always shop outside in LA. Here she is, the solver of all my problems, I hope. Follow me on Instagram, you know I'm really into the blazer look lately. Could I use a red blazer? These are cool. Been wanting some cute little plaid pants, so maybe these. I'm realizing maybe now is a good time to buy some more leather leggings because my pair is ripping. Grease vibes. Alright, I think I'm gonna look at jeans first because that's why I'm here. I'm obsessed with this. So much stuff. The deed has been done, you guys. All right, I am now back from Express. I ended up getting 3 pairs of jeans. These ones I'll show you right now. I got 2 of those skirts. I love those skirts, especially for like events and stuff going on in LA. I ended up not going with the summery dresses, even though they were really cute. I realized I probably do have enough for Greece already at my house with the packages I got today. So I can't remember if I said earlier, but I am partnering with Express on this. They were the ones who gave me the gift cards so that I could try out their jeans. All of their jeans were marked down from $88-ish. Those were the price. I checked 2 of the price tags. They both said 88 to $39.95, $39.90, I don't know. They're basically $40 for all of their jeans. So that is still going on in stores. I'm not sure if that's happening online. Yeah, I got that like black tube top. I got that blazer. That was an investment. A great piece. I'm gonna have all of these linked below. So yeah, I had never tried Express's jeans before. Very stretchy. I really like that their size range goes from 00 all the way to 18. And I believe Jordan Woods just modeled for them. So love her. All right. It's hot in LA. I was really sweating in there. I was trying out a lot of stuff because I'm currently sprinting out the door to go to a meeting with my manager, and then I'm getting a facial as more grease prep because my skin, you can kind of see I covered it up pretty well, but getting a little facial at Kate Somerville, my fave place to get facials at. Meeting was amazing. I'm on this cute little street off Melrose to get my facial. I love that car so much. My favorite place. Getting hydrated. This place is so cute. Alright, I'm now back from my facial. My skin is glowing and so soft. This was a situation before I walked in there, so they helped it out. It'll be better in a day or two. So now we're about to start packing for Greece. I always wait until the last second to pack, and then there are things that I realized I needed to wash that I didn't wash, and blah blah blah. Basically, I procrastinate on that big time. So it's Monday. I leave Friday morning. I'm about to pack up some stuff now and try on outfits and just get an idea of what outfits I'm wanting to take to Greece. I am trying to pack in a carry-on, which I have done every single time I've gone to Europe because I am so paranoid about my bag getting lost on the way there. Anyways, we're gonna pack up. I'll show you guys some progress when I make it. Here's the process. Okay, it is no joke been 2.5 hours. I don't know how that's possible. I think I've tried on every single article of clothing I own. So brief overview. I'm not even done, which is the sad part. So I have 2 little pairs of pants. I have 4 shirts, lots of other things, but this is the gist, and it's gonna be narrowed. And I took pictures of everything, so now I'm going to go, I need to go through sunglasses. I have lots to do. Also, I have so many cute items that didn't make the cut, slash a lot of those dresses are still there and they're probably not gonna make the cut because they wrinkle easily in transit. And if you guys have a solution for keeping wrinkles out of clothes when you're traveling, please comment below because I'm desperate because I have so many cute items that I love that wrinkle very easily. So that's always an inhibiting factor whenever I'm packing. So if you guys know something I don't know, let me know. Alright guys, it is the next day and I am finishing packing this morning. It's pretty early because I have a lot of other things I need to be doing. First of all, the room is clean. Second of all, we're about to see how much of this we can fit in a suitcase. I might still narrow slightly more depending on what we fit in. I will update you because you're going to see me pack it. But yeah, for now I've tried to narrow categories. I still have more than I need. But I will say if you were going to Europe, you can way cut that down. It's actually so practical to be able to pack in a carry-on for a trip to Europe. Honestly, regardless of the length, you don't need as much as I'm about to show you. However, I know I can fit all of this in the suitcase most likely, and also the reason I'm packing a little bit on the heavier side is because I'm going straight back from Greece to North Carolina for 9 days. So it's gonna be nice to have some additional outfits there. So yeah, I'll do a little explaining. Let's go ahead and show you. Okay, so here is everything laid out. Also, I'm gonna attempt to fit everything in here while it's still short, like not expanded, but this does expand all the way up to there, so I'm confident everything will fit. I would just like to keep it small if possible, because like international flights for a carry-on, they have to be a little bit smaller, I believe. So let's begin here. Well, this is my travel day outfit for the way there. I'm just wearing these green joggers, my like sports bra, white shirt, and then I'm gonna wear my Air Force Ones because these are my bulkiest shoes, so they're not gonna be in there. Again, if I were only packing for Greece, I would live just off of these Steve Madden slides, but since I am going home after, I really wanna have like some kind of actual sneaker. So that's my travel outfit. That won't actually be in here. Next, I upped my 4 tops to 6. Basically, I have a white like cami bodysuit, I have a black tube top. This is just a cute top. This is another cute little striped tube top. Then I have a short sleeve white shirt and a short sleeve black shirt, which I realize I probably don't need both of these, but I feel like I'm gonna be wearing just a white shirt a lot, so that'll be fine. It's literally the thinnest shirts in the world. Those items are taking up no room. So next, moving on to shorts, I have a pair of like ripped denim shorts as well as this like cute little striped pair that you can dress up some. For bathing suits, I decided to pack 3, so those are here. And then for swim cover-ups, I'm packing this like really big like shirt dress thing that I just wear open, as well as another pair of shorts that are a lot shorter and just like looser, cuter, very comfy. I like these being like a beach cover-up short. This also is a dress. It's like a button-down little collar dress. It's really cute, but I think I'm actually gonna use that as a cover-up. Maybe I'll use it as a dress. I'm kind of packing it because it could go either way. So this is all of my like beach wear right in here. To finish up this side, these are the 2 like going out things I packed. Even though it's Greece, everything's casual. You can get by with like everything else. Honestly, I might end up, if I have to cut something, I'm gonna cut this romper most likely. We will see though. For travel from place to place, I'm bringing this one little t-shirt dress that is just lightweight and cute, and then a pair of leggings that I can pair with really any shirts or t-shirts or anything, or those might end up being like a wear on the plane ride home type thing. Again, I would actually probably get by with just joggers, but since I am going to North Carolina, I want at least 1 pair of leggings. Next, I have bras. Notably, I have this like really low scoop neck one for a couple tops and stuff that's really low cut. Next, this is going to be my purse for the entire trip. It feels weird to be traveling without my black purse because that purse has been around the world with me, but I'm taking this one and I'm trying to decide if I want to bring this beach bag or not. I feel like room isn't going to allow, even though that would be nice for fitting sunscreen and stuff in it, but we might end up just taking this little purse and being fine with that. So we'll see. In the shoe category, I'm bringing 2 pairs of sandals that collapse, very easily packable. So I just have this pair, which is going to be my like beach shoe, as well as obviously just worn with whatever I want it to be. I am packing one little pair of black sandals that I debated for a while, but I have some outfits that are black, so I thought I might want that. And again, they take up like no room. I'm bringing a little bit of a dressier sandal, which I also brought last time I was in Greece. And then lastly, I'm just bringing these white slides, and I feel like this is going to be my go-to shoe for the trip. Next, for t-shirts, I am bringing just 3. These are really big, so they can be sleep t-shirts, they can be travel t-shirts, whatever. I almost forgot, I'm also bringing just one little pair of like loose shorts to sleep in. Next, in the pants department, I'm bringing 1 pair of jeans. These are really lightweight, so they might be fine in Greece. Again, that's kind of just like an at-home item, so if I were you and going to Europe in the summer, I might not even bring those. And then I'm bringing a really lightweight cotton pair of black joggery pants that are really cute. They can be dressed up or down, as well as this khaki pair from Princess Polly. Back there, I'm starting to like charge up batteries and stuff. I'm gonna pack my jewelry in this, and that's probably gonna go in my backpack. So in addition to what you're seeing here, this is all going in my suitcase, and then I save like jewelry, technology, sunglasses, everything like that for my backpack that I bring with me as well. So that's that. That purse will actually probably also go in my backpack. But next, for skirts, I have 4 of these. These will be good for going out or during the day or really anything. So I just have a white one, this like green wrap skirt, this striped wrap skirt, and then just a black like denim wrap skirt. And all of these really are really lightweight, which is gonna be good for the heat. And lastly, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dresses. One of these is actually a jumpsuit. And basically I had so many dress options. This was really, really hard, but I narrowed it based on things that are lightweight and things that don't really wrinkle easily. Some of these are still gonna be a little wrinkled up. We're gonna deal with it. These were the better of the options. I made sure to have 1 white dress option. I might switch that out, or switch one of these out for another white dress, because I feel like I might not need 2 of these little blue colors. Moral of the story, you don't need as much as I'm bringing. If you really were like backpacking in Europe, you can get by with like this stack alone, or like, you know, I mean, not just that, but in terms of like outfit options. So that's my overview. I'm trying to decide which sunglasses to bring. I feel like I'm gonna bring these 3 are gonna be my go-tos. So now we are going to pack everything in that and see if we had room for it all. All right, guys, so this was actually so easy. Again, my travel outfit's not in there. I am gonna ditch the beach bag. Yeah, moment of truth. Oh, I didn't say also, but I have underwear and stuff back here and socks and whatnot. This is so easy. Oh my gosh, this is the best I've ever done. Normally I have to like sit on it to zip it. Wow, dude, easy. It's not even that heavy. I'm so impressed. Actually, I'm impressed but not surprised. So yeah, that is it for this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope that you found this helpful. If this is the first video of mine you are seeing, I hope that you will subscribe and stick around. And lastly, make sure you are subscribed over my vlog channel so you see all my vlogs from this cruise trip, as well as following me on Instagram, because I anticipate some great pics coming up. So that is it. I love all of you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay. 'Cause I got